Hello my beautiful Taurus, this is Far of Fate, and in this video guys we are gonna see what your person thinks about you in the month of June 2020. So guys, here are your cards and they're getting shuffled for you my love. Let's see, okay, my beautiful Taurus, what they are thinking about you in the month of June 2020. Okay. Ooh. He seems to be very much attached to you, okay, though some of you might be separated, but still the connection is way too strong between you and them. Okay, let's see. Okay. What's going on in their mind with whom my beautiful Taurus is dealing with in the month of June 2020? What's going on? What's going on in the mind with whom my beautiful Taurus is dealing with? Okay, let's see, guys. Okay. Okay, that's good. Wow. See guys, Six of Wands upright, Justice upright, but Sun is in reverse. So what I see is over here, the person you're dealing with is definitely in love with you. Okay, they want recognition, they want balance, and most probably Sun card in reverse is also not bad. So what I see over here, the person wherever they are, they want to marry you. Okay, the day you met them, they see you as a husband or wife material. Okay, with the Sun card in your reading, because that is an happiness card, the best card of the reading, though it's reverse, but still its negativity is minimized right now. Okay, so why this person wants to marry you, it's all about you. This person is very much attracted to your beauty, your smartness, your honesty. If you already had a sex with this particular person, then they like to kiss your neck, and they like your smell also, guys. Okay, he or she, that doesn't matter, but they like your smell. They want to kiss your neck, that's for sure. Whenever you touch them, they feel a divine touch. When you touch them, they get excited by your presence. You are just like a rainbow to your person. I see that some of you might be married, but if not married, if you both are single, then definitely from the day one this person wants to marry you. Okay, so this is way too positivity, guys, way too positive. From the day one they see you as the one. Okay, what's going on now? Okay, so what I see over here, that with the Lovers card in upright condition, with 10 of Wands and with 5 of Wands in upright condition, what I see is over here, the love is there, but the wish fulfillment is yet to happen. See guys, wherever they are, they see a long-term happiness with you. Okay, with the 6 of Wands over here, and they doesn't want to have a one night stand with you. They want to be a friend, they want to be loved, they want you to be their family. They want to work with you, or they want you to get involved in their own business or work. The person wherever they are, they see you as an emotional fulfillment, a family person, and they want that commitment from you. Okay, they always dream about you. Right now also they are dreaming about you. Okay, and they see a family life with you. So if the person is missing the old days, they want to recapture that old days with you. If you already had a physical relationship with this person, they want to intimate with you, because whenever you are around this particular person, they feel so happy, go lucky. They feel so youthful when when you are around them. Okay, you uplift their spirit. What I see with the card over here. Okay, you uplift their spirit. You uplift their spirit. I just want to know what is gonna be the future of this wedding. Okay. So what I see over here, little bit confusion is there. I mean, I see a lot of thought processing is going on, because you can see swords, all swords are there. That means there might be distance between you two. But if you are not talking with this person, why I'm telling you this? Because four of swords is present. I mean, if you two are not talking, then definitely I see a connection between you two in coming days or near future. Okay, a back and forth communication is definitely going to be there between you and them, and this is definitely going to happen very quickly. Okay, someone may come towards you to see you, to communicate with you. There might be a message through airways, internet, text message, WhatsApp, email, phone call. Okay, they want to see you face to face. They want to look into your eyes. Okay, some of you might met this person in online dating site. Okay, if you are divorced, if you are going through a breakup mode or single right now, then I see some of you might get a connection through online dating site. Okay, so I see for some of you there is a new love at the horizon in coming days. But I see a strong reconciliation with the ex-partner if you still want to be with your person, because the thought processing is going on. The thought processing is going on, that's for sure, guys. Okay, how the relationship people sees you, how people around you sees the relation between you and your person, how this relationship is being seen by other people around you. Wow, guys, what I see is that, the people around you see you as a perfect match. Okay, they see that there is a lot of struggle between you and them in this relationship, but in the end you two are definitely gonna win. Why you two are gonna win in this relationship? Because you two are the real soulmate, because they see the communication between you two is very good, the understanding is obviously very good, but still you two are not talking with the four of swords. Okay, because of certain reason. Okay, we'll see in the coming cards, but right now I see the people around you wants you to be together, because you take care of them and they also see you as the person for long standing relationship. They ultimately see you as a soulmate, and when you two are together, your friends, they might be family members, brothers, sisters, mom, dad, relatives, whoever they are who knows about this relationship, they see you as a husband and wife. Okay, and they want you to be together, so definitely you are going to get a lot of support from your outside sources. If you need anybody helps, don't hesitate, try to take as much as help from those people around you. What is the basic problem in this relationship? What is the basic problem in this relationship? What is the basic problem in this relationship? I just want to know that. What is the basic problem in this relationship? Okay, I got it, guys. So basic problem is that the relationship was not balanced properly. And yeah, guys, I mean, someone might have heard because of four of sword and eight of sword already present over here. A lot of mind game is going on. Why? Because seven of sword was upright in the past, right now it is reversed. That's good, but four of wand is present over here. The relationship is very strong between you and your person right now, of course, but healing is definitely required. You just need to see what has happened in the past. If you had done wrong to your person, then you need to say sorry to them, or vice versa, they also need to say sorry to you if they had hurt you. And that is a basic problem in this relationship. The basic crux problem is that the relationship is not balanced, because one person was giving too much in this relationship and other person was just taking, and because of that, guys, the relationship is unbalanced. I already told you guys, the person whom you are dealing with, definitely you might be married to them, or they want to marry you, that's for sure. If you are single, they really want to marry you because they see a future with you, they see emotional as well as material fulfillment with you. And I see that your person is definitely traveling towards you to see you, in your eyes, how you feel, how you look. They want to touch you. I see something very quickly is going to happen between you and them in near future. That is a plus point. And those who are already gone through a breakup mode, I see a new love for you guys. A new person is definitely going to enter in your life. So for those, get ready and prepare yourself. Okay, don't just sit idly and wait for the person to come in your life. You need to be prepared for that opportunity. I just want to tell you, my beautiful Taurus. Okay, I just want to tell you that it's very important, very important. What is the what is the blockage in the reading? What is the blockage in the reading? What is the blockage in the reading? Okay. So I feel with the card in front of me that the person is still waiting for you. That is the basic thing. But the blockage is that, if you are married to a person who has children, or if you have children, then who is going to take care of your children? This is going to be issue for some of those person who are already married, because I see Four of Wands in your reading already present. Okay, it talks about very solid relationship. And if you people are carrying a childlike behavior, please avoid that immature thinking, immature action, because that is the blockage of this reading. I mean, your person, wherever they are, they want to come towards you, they want to talk to you. But the problem is that whenever you start a conversation, you end up in a fighting, and that's they want to avoid. They want to avoid the fighting, they want to avoid argument between you and them. And most probably, when you communicate with each other, I think your person might be behaving like a child. I want this, I want this, I want that, I want that, XYZ. And because of that, I think nobody is taking the responsibility of this relationship, and ultimately a problem is happening. So I definitely see that there are a lot of issues between you and them. But your person, wherever they are waiting for you guys. Okay, they are waiting for the chances, they are waiting for a perfect timing. But the problem is that no one over here is balancing this relationship. If you want this person, or if they want you, they need to balance this relationship, and they are thinking about that. Okay, they are thinking to balance this relationship. That means your person is going to say you sorry. I'm getting a reading, a title for this reading. They want you to be part of their life. I want to tell you once again, this reading can be named as they want you to be the part of their life. Let's see the situation between you and them. What is the situation between you and them? What is the situation between you and them? Okay, good. Ooh. Okay, so we see the Ace of Cups upright, Three of Swords reverse, with Page of Cups in reverse. So definitely page are the messages. That means messages is going to be there, but in coming days, in coming future, I see a lot of contact. With the Four of Swords over here, you two are not talking, and Page of Cups is also reverse. It means your person wants to message you, but they are holding back their messages. Why this is happening? Because someone over here has cut the other person out of this relationship. Why this happened, guys? The relationship was unbalanced. The person who was giving more in this relationship finally cut the other person out of this relationship, and because of that, you two are separated right now. I see the situation like this. Why you might have cut this person? Why? Because, I mean, the attraction between you and them has gone down in the past. Okay, the attraction between you and them might have gone little bit downwards. That's why there is no chemistry between you and them, what I see with the cards in front of me right now. So that's why someone here, it may be you, most probably. I think that you have cut this person out of this relationship because you were not getting what you want. Okay, the situation right now I see is that you don't want any nonsense type of thinking. If your person is not behaving properly, then you're not ready to take the all the BS and all that. And okay, you don't want to be in that mood, and that's why you might have cut them. Okay, I think my beautiful Taurus, you people might be a little bit angry, and with that angry behavior has made you very cautious, but internally you are becoming stronger and stronger day by day. I see your person is definitely going to come towards you to say sorry. Yeah, guys, why? Because it's not only you that you required them, but more than you, they required you. Why? Because I see they want you to be the part of their life. They want to marry you, they want to be with you for a long term, not a short term, not a one night stand, because you are their ultimate wish fulfillment, what I see with the cards in front of me. Are you getting it, guys? What they want to do, 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 what they want to do. Okay, 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 okay. So what I see over here, star is in reverse, death is in reverse, five of cups is in reverse. Wow, all the cards are in reverse, but at least this should be in a upright condition. But at least these two cards are the main culprit card which has been reversed. That's good. That means if this relationship is ended, then this person wants to reverse that. So I see that this person really wants reconciliation with you. I mean, if you are dealing with a person who has blocked you, who has left you out in cold, this person is going to come back. He or she, that doesn't matter, but they are going to come back. Why I see with the cards over here, why they are going to come back? I mean, they are going to come back with a gift, with a flower, with a token of love. What I see is this person is seeing you from a distance, and they know that the relationship is unbalanced, and they are the one who needs to put a lot of efforts in this relationship. So finally they are going to take responsibility of this relationship to balance this relationship out. I see that this person wants reconciliation, and they are gonna make the efforts right now because they see you as a part of their own life. Okay, what are they hoping for? What are they hoping for? What are they hoping for? Okay, so two of pentacles reverse, five of pentacles upright, and page of pentacles in reverse. So what I see over here, the person is very much confused because two of pentacles left out in gold with message is also reverse. Love message is also reverse. This stability message is also reverse. That means your person, wherever they are very much confused right now, what to do and what not to do. Should they contact you? Should they avoid you? Should they block you? They are not getting the correct answer within themselves. I think you people should take the help of counselor or family members, brothers, sisters, friends to resolve this situation, because this relationship, with what I see with the cards in front of me, is a win-win situation for you two guys. Okay, if you are single, this relationship is awesome. If you are married, then also it can be solved, but the children issue is going to be there if there are children involved in this situation. But I see your person definitely wants reconciliation. If they are not talking to you, they want to talk to you, because I already saw the four of swords in your reading, and it has been followed by the eight of swords. They are very much stuck. They are very much stuck. They are confused. They are confused of marrying you or not. I mean, they want to marry you, they should marry you or not, this is the confusion. Okay, but they want to be the part of their own life. If you are from Muslim community, then I think one or two or three marriage is possible over there. But in the rest of the community or rest of the religion, I don't think people needs to divorce their partner so that they can come towards you. So they are in big trouble what to do and what not to do in the month of June 2020. Okay, I just wanna see what is the outcome of this reading. What is the outcome of this reading for my beautiful, beautiful, beautiful Taurus for the month of June 2020? What is the outcome? What is the outcome? What is the outcome? Oh God. So I see 3 of cups with 9 of cups in reverse and 10 of swords in upright. They are totally in there, stuck in their head with a 9 of cups in reverse. That is not good with a third party type situation. Guys, I mean, I see there is a still blockage there between you and them, and they really wanna come forward towards you. If they have hurt you, they're gonna say sorry. Okay, someone over here wants to say sorry because at least one partner has done wrong. They have not reciprocated the love they need to reciprocate, because someone was so much confused that they were not taking any decision to divorce their partner or to come towards you, or need to take a decision of getting married as soon as possible. As I already told you guys, this person see you as a marriage material, or if you are single, then definitely they want to marry you since day one. Okay, since day one, because they know that you are the one, and they know that they can have their wish fulfillment with you. So I already told you, I see a back and forth very fast communication is going to happen in near future. With the reading in front of me, I already told you that yes, your person, if you are dealing with ex or wanting your ex to come back in your life, yes, a reconciliation is definitely on their mind right now. Okay, and your person wants to balance this relationship. But the thing is that, I mean, you might be angry, Taurus, and you might have cut this person because the attraction, the chemistry, what I see over here is been gone from this relationship. I don't see the passion, I don't see the spark in this relationship. Okay, right now, why we don't see the spark, we don't see the attraction in this relationship? Because the basic problem is that someone needs to heal this relationship, someone needs to say sorry, someone needs to take a responsibility of this relationship. Okay, you people are just waiting. How long you people are going to wait, guys? You need to take action, you need to come out of your mind right now. This is the basic problem. And what are the blockages? I already told you guys, the communication is the blockage. When you communicate with each other, you get along with some sort of argument, fight and disagreement with some topic. Okay, most probably this can be named as childish behavior or immature thinking. Okay, so try to get out of those situations, because I see, if you want your ex back, I see a reconciliation, Taurus. Okay, and I have already told you guys that I see a lot of support from the people around you, though they are not coming towards you to tell you that yes, we are ready to support you, yes, we are going to provide you this, we are going to provide you that. But you need to take an action, because all things are going in the super flow way, it's not any action way. When you will start taking action, other person or other people around you will definitely going to back you guys, because they see the connection between you and them as a spiritual connection. Your person, wherever they are still confused to get married to you, because they might have other option also. They might still be in a relationship where they need to divorce their partner or girlfriend or boyfriend, wherever they are. Okay, so with the outcome card, I see that 10 of swords, 9, which is in upright, 9 of cups reverse, and 3 of cups. That means I see that this particular person, the person whom you're dealing with, is focusing on something else. That means they definitely not going to take any sort of big action right now in the month of June. But if they come towards you to say sorry, that means they are totally into you for long term. I see that they want you to be the part of their life, guys. This person definitely want to marry you. If you are still single, then this reading is for you, guys. Okay,